Hello, in this video I will talk about the infix notation, postfix and prefix notations. The infix notations are the ones that we use all the time, which is the operator comes between the operands. So this is an operand, okay? So as you see, the operators are written in between their operands. And so here, x plus y, so you put the operator in between. So for the infix notation, um, so we need to, in order to find in which order we process, we used the implicit information that we know that multiplication and division has higher precedence than this. But if you would like to make this calculation first, you need to use parentheses. Okay, so that means first do this and then have this one. Okay, um, and with the postfix notation, and the operator comes at the end. Okay, so operators are written after their operands. So operand, operand, and operator. Okay, um, so here with the prefix notation, the operator comes first. Okay, so remember with the pre-order traversal, so visit the you visit the root first, and then you go to the left child and right child. So this is exactly that way. Okay, so here, so from this one, if you have, so if this is the tree, if you have infix notation, which means um, so the process is in the middle. So first you go to the left and then process. So you would get this one, okay? But um, in order to uh, in order to build the tree from the infix notation, you need to have parentheses. You need to know in which order you will build it. So, here we have parentheses already. Then it is easy to build this one. So we know that a times b should be calculated first. And as you see here, this is at the bottom level. A times b. Okay, so a times b. And then it says addition, but before the addition, this should be calculated first. C divided by D. And as you see here, C divided by D. So you calculate that, you calculate this one, and then at the end, add them together. Okay, so to convert between the notations, this is one way. You can build the tree and then traverse it in pre-order or post-order. Okay, and then you can have that. So here, so this is the other way. So you have this, and then okay. So here it says b plus c. So which means calculate this one first. So this is at the bottom. Okay, so this one, and then it says multiply with the a. So here you say a multiply with the a. So the order with the multiplication doesn't matter, but the order matters for the division and subtraction. Okay, um, okay. So here and at the end divide by d. So this one divided by d. Okay, so to convert between infix to postfix or postfix to prefix, you don't have to do this one. The easier way is, first of all, put the implicit parameters, implicit parentheses first. Okay, um, so you can convert between these brackets simply moving the operator. Okay, so the first one, start by inserting all the implicit brackets to show the order of evaluation. So, for example, if you have this one, we know that a times b is calculated first, and then c divided by d is done. later and then add them together. Although it is clear to you, but put those parentheses so that conversion is easier. Once you have that, okay, so we have a times b, so the operator is in between. For the postfix notation, put the operator after the operands, so which means a, b, and asterisk or um, times. Okay, and then c divided by d, so operator is in between. For the postfix, put the operator at the end, so it is cd division. Okay, cd division. So consider this one just one operand. Okay, so after you evaluate this, for example, c could be 10, d is 2, so 10 2 division, so this is basically 5. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, so this highlighted part is a number, so it is, for example, 5, so it is an operand. So we have operand, another operand, and so this operator goes at the end. Okay, so you have this one, so it goes all the way to the end. So this is how you convert from infix to postfix. So to convert from, for example, postfix to prefix, so you have this, okay, which is operand, another operand, and then operator. Just put the operator at the beginning. So as you see, the addition, the plus sign goes to the beginning, and then we have this one, okay, which is operand, operand, operator. Also convert this to prefix notation, which means the multiplication goes before the AB, as you see here. And also we had inside of this parenthesis we have CD division. So division goes before CD. Division goes before CD. So after you have this one, just remove all the parentheses. Okay, and then you will have the prefix notation. Now let's look at this one. So infix notation is this. Okay, so which means do this first. So here we have B plus C. With the postfix notation, convert this to postfix notation. Okay, so addition goes at the end. So BC plus. Okay, so BC plus. And then we have, okay, so after this, we have this operand, another operand, operator. So this operator goes at the end. So here, operator goes at the end. A, B, C plus. So this is a operand. Okay, now this one, this highlighted part, is an operand. Okay, so as you see, this highlighted part is an operand. Operand divided by D. So this operand is here, and then second operand D, and this operator goes at the end. Division goes at the end. Okay, so this is how you do that. For the prefix, so first of all, you convert this one to prefix notation, which is plus BC. So the operator goes at the beginning, as you see here, plus BC. And then, so this is an operand times A. Okay, A times another operand. So the times goes to the beginning. So the asterisk first, A, and then the other operand. Okay, so this highlighted part is one operand. So which is this one. Okay, so this highlighted. So this is an operand divided by D. So operand, another operand, and operator in between. So this operator goes to the beginning. So division is at the beginning, and this operand, okay, so this operand, and then the next operand. So after you have this one, you can just remove all the parentheses to have the prefix notation. And then you do the same thing for this one. I hope this should be clear. So have a nice day.